Hi everybody. This is my 5th time trying to come out here and use this Blackstone to make blueberry pancakes, and every time I come out to do it, the rain starts. Well, I'm nothing if not persistent, heating up the griddle. Let's try it again. I'm going to dump some Pearl Milling Company pancake mix into this bowl. They're bubbling up real well. That's how I like them. Let's dump these sausages out here. And, gee whiz, hang on. Well, that's a beautiful stack of pancakes. Let's get some butter on them. There's some nice melty butter. See those blueberries in there? Yum, yum. Let's get a hold of that fork. Let that fork get a hold of some blueberry pancake. Cooked on the Blackstone. Delightful. Now, I have to say, as far as technique goes, I intended to take a little bit of pancake batter and put it on top of all those blueberries when I stuck them in the pancake. However, they were cooking so fast, because I had the griddle so hot, that I really didn't have time to cover up all the blueberries. And so, of course, they left some sticky sugar stuff on the griddle. That's life. This is really good. Give it a try. Blueberry pancakes on the Blackstone. Yum yum. Bye-bye.